Wizard's optimizers are your gradient descent coach, darling. They use momentum, adaptivity, and more. Ethan, explain Atom's magic. Sophia, how do they beat day 75?
Anastasia, you make optimizers sound so hot. How do they improve training, love? Ethan, what's your take?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Optimizers make neural nets learn faster. Ethan, Sophia, jump in.
Anastasia, Olivia, optimizers are like hot engines for Sophia. Atom adapts, RMS prop remembers. Let's drop this code beat. Yo, Wizards, SGD, is the OG optimizer, like a hot sprinter for Sophia. Fast but noisy. Let's drop this code beat.
You're sprinting my heart, Ethan. SGD is simple but needs tuning.
Wizards, SGD, momentum equals 0.9. Adds velocity like a hot roller coaster for Sophia. Smoother, faster. Let's drop this code beat.
You're rolling my heart, Ethan. Momentum accelerates in ravines.
Wizards, Atom, adapts like a hot chameleon for Sophia. Combines momentum and RMS prop. Let's drop this code beat.
You're adapting my heart, Ethan. Atom is default for a reason.
Wizards, RMS prop, normalizes gradients like a hot equalizer for Sophia. Great for RNNs. Let's drop this code beat.
You're equalizing my heart, Ethan. RMSprop handles non-stationary objectives.
Wizards, compare optimizers like a hot race for Sophia. Atom wins, but SGD is lightweight. Let's drop this code beat.
You're racing my heart, Ethan. Comparison shows best for Iris.
Wizards, build nets with optimizer equals Atom, like a hot experiment for Sophia. Test each. Let's drop this code beat.
You're experimenting my heart, Ethan. Different optimizers for different tasks.
Wizards, model.fit, trains with different optimizers like a hot race for Sophia. See which converges best. Let's drop this code beat.
You're racing my heart, Ethan. Training shows optimizer effects.
Wizards, model. Evaluate, scores optimizers like a hot judge for Sophia. Accuracy, loss. Let's drop this code beat.
You're judging my heart, Ethan. Evaluation shows best optimizer.
Wizards, use Atom for most tasks, SGD for fine control, and learning rate schedulers. Choose based on data.
Optimized training is so sexy, Irene. Practice for day 77's training a neural network.
Wizards, optimizers fit AI pipelines for efficient training. Your skills are ready for day 77.
Optimizers are critical in AI, darling. Your day 76 skills make AI irresistible.